Alright, what's up guys? This is Little C coming back at you again with another video. Today, I've got another Donruss football break. So, let's get into it. The last box, I did pretty good, I think. That nice Trubisky patch. And there was a few nice inserts in there, so we're doing another one here. We've got 8 packs and 11 cards, or 8 cards per pack and 11 packs per box. So, here we go. Let's get started. First pack. And we're guaranteed one exclusive memorabilia card per box. Okay. Jim Zorn, Gronk, Robert Kelly, Dante Moncrief, Austin Hooper, Jamie Collins, Willie Snead, and a Deshaun Watson rated rookie. That's really good. He's doing great. Or he's the best rookie this year, I'm pretty sure. So, next pack. Let's try to get there. Okay. So, Walter Payton, Paul Perkins, Chris Harris, Tyrod Taylor, Eric Reed, Todd Gurley, Juju Smith. Alrighty, so okay. Shoot. Alrighty, so Jesse James, Aaron Rodgers, Drew Casey, Tyler Eifert, Jadeveon Clowney, Jameis Winston, Gridiron Kings, really cool, and a Ryan Switzerland raid rookie. So our next pack, Trevor Siemian, James Harrison, Eric Ebron, Ryan Kurgan, Cody Kessler, John Kuhn, and Nathan Peterman. Next pack. Andrew Luck, James White, Spencer Ware, Whitey Mercien, Mike Evans, Tyreek Williams, Julius Peppers highlights, really cool card, and there. So, yeah, next pack. Troy Aikman, Carson Wentz, Terrence West, Eric Decker, Patrick Peterson, Jay Ajayi, Greg Olsen, top targets, Mitch Trubisky. Oh. Alrighty, so next pack, we got Von Miller, Julian Edelman, Steve Smith, Jack Doyle, Kenny Britt, Adrian Peterson, Antonio Brown, Press Proof, and Derek Burnett. Oops, I just realized I left a pack in there. Floyd, Sterling Shepard, Dante Poe, Will Powell, Tom Savage, Andy Dalton, and Brad Cara. Alrighty, so let's just get the patch card. There it is, pretty thick. Terrence Williams, Alshon Jeffrey, Terrell Suggs, Muhammad Wilkerson, David Johnson, and CJ Beathard, rookie premium. No one too special, but player worn. So yeah, CJ Beathard is our hit, and base. This pack is thick too, or thicker. Probably nothing, but Emmanuel Sanders, pretty cool for the PC base. Eli, Tajay Sharp, Sammy Watkins, Theo Brick, Kobe Fletcher, and Brian Adam Shaden. So this pack is kind of thick too. No patch definitely, but Jordy Nelson, Bobby Wagner, Danny Amendola, Joe Themis, Christian Oikel, and Leonard Fortune Raid rookie, and Doug Martin and Keenan Allen. So that's all for this 2017 Donruss. So here is all of our. Here's a little recap. Fortune, Kaya, Mitch Trubisky, and Deshaun Watson. Here is the press proof. Antonio Brown, Greg Olsen, Julius Peppers. And our hit was the CJ Beathard, 49er quarterback. So yeah, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. #BringTouchFootballBack. Peace.